Looking for green-black walnut hull benefits and side effects? The green-black walnut hull is one of nature's hidden gems and a tremendous powerhouse of health benefits. Nature has always been a plentiful source of healing and wellness. This tiny yet powerful ingredient has been valued for ages because of its many healing benefits, providing a comprehensive approach to health. The green-black walnut shell becomes apparent as a reliable ally in the quest for a better lifestyle as we look deeper into the extensive field of herbal medicines. Green-black walnut hull benefits. 1. Heart health. Green-black walnut hulls are not only delicious, but they are also great for our heart health. These walnuts are packed with arginine, an amino acid that helps promote vasodilation, which means it supports the widening of our blood vessels. This can lead to improved blood flow, which is so essential for our heart health. So next time you're snacking on some green-black walnut hulls, remember that you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also doing something good for your heart. 2. Skin health. Green-black walnut hulls have been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions. From eczema to psoriasis and even warts, these hulls have shown broad applicability in improving skin health. Not only that, but they also possess powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, making them an excellent natural remedy for skin infections. 3. Weight loss aid. Have you heard about the weight loss benefits of black walnuts? Not only are they delicious, but their low carbohydrate and high protein content can actually aid in our weight loss efforts. Plus, their anti-inflammatory properties can help support a healthy metabolism. So next time we're looking for a tasty snack, let's reach for some black walnuts and give our bodies a little boost in our weight loss journey. 4. Anti-cancer potential. Have you heard about the potential anti-cancer properties of black walnuts? I recently came across some preliminary studies that suggest they may have some amazing benefits in preventing and treating cancer. Of course, more research is needed to understand the mechanisms and potential applications fully, but it's definitely something worth keeping an eye on. 5. Digestive health. Black walnuts and their excellent benefits for digestive health. These nuts have been traditionally used to support a healthy intestinal environment and can also act as a digestive aid. By consuming black walnuts, we can promote a balanced and healthy gut, ensuring that our digestive system is functioning at its best. In summary, green-black walnut hulls are a potent natural remedy with a range of health benefits, particularly for treating parasitic infections, supporting intestinal health, and providing nutrients that may reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. However, they should be used responsibly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional.